Hey, the double life setup. One WhatsApp for business, one for chaos. Totally get it. Here's the truth. Yes, you can use two WhatsApp accounts on an iPhone, officially and safely. No jailbreak, no third-party apps, no sketchy apps. But here are few or couple ways to do it depending on what you want. Method 1. Use WhatsApp plus WhatsApp Business, official and best. Apple and Meta themselves approve this combo. Works perfectly. No hacks. Step 1. Install both apps. So go ahead and type just WhatsApp. Alright. And download the WhatsApp Messenger and the WhatsApp Business. Register each with a different number. Use your personal SIM for normal WhatsApp. Use your work number, eSIM or virtual number like TextNow or Twilio for WhatsApp Business. You will have two independent apps, two sets of chats, notifications, and separate icons on your home screen. Complete. Done. Exactly. Safe, official, no risks. Method 2. Use dual SIM or eSIM. If your iPhone supports dual SIM, physical plus eSIM, you can assign a number to each WhatsApp version. So SIM 1, you're going to use WhatsApp Messenger. SIM 2 or eSIM, WhatsApp Business. This gives you a true dual WhatsApp setup, both running live at once. Works great on iPhone XR and newer. Method 3, I don't advise this, but this is like a desperate way of doing it. Use App Cloner via third party. Risky but works. Apple doesn't officially allow cloning app, but you can still do it with some third party methods. Use Alt Store or side loading. Right? So you could type Alt Store on your iPhone, download basically, or excuse me, no, not here. No, download Alt Store. No. Yeah. Alt. Right? Or side loading. And download the WhatsApp plus IPA, a modified version. Side loaded using Alt Store. Now you'll have two WhatsApp icons, one original, one plus. Downside, it expires every 7 days unless you have a paid developer account. Right? Method 3, excuse me. Use WhatsApp web or plus mobile app. If you don't want to mess with installs, keep your main WhatsApp on the phone. Open Safari, right? And just type WhatsApp web. Okay? And log in with your second account by scanning from another device or or using a cloned app. Right? So I'm gonna close this window, right? And try to log in. You will now have both accounts accessible, one as an app, one through browser. It's not a full dual mode, but it's a slick workaround for short-term use. Pro tip, turn off merge contacts. So if you use two accounts for business plus personal, go to settings. Gonna find privacy and search for contacts. Okay, and just press WhatsApp Business and disable access, right? Like any other app. That way you keep your personal and business lists separate. No awkward mix-ups. Bonus, use virtual numbers like you can use third-party apps like Google Voice, US only, TextNow, Hashid, Twilio, eSIM.me for an extra eSIM number. Use that number to register your second WhatsApp. Done. Reality check. Avoid shady apps claiming dual WhatsApp clone or two WhatsApp in one on the App Store. Most are fake, scammy, and just basically robbers. Stick to the official route. WhatsApp plus WhatsApp Business. Clean, reliable, and future-proof. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.